Ken Williams, Unfold the Soul. It's Teacher Appreciation Week. I just want to take a moment to reflect on the incredible job our teachers have done this year. There aren't even enough words to even approach hyperbole regarding this. I mean, you literally turned an entire industry upside down in a weekend inside a dark closet while blindfolded. I mean, you literally have rewritten a manual that you felt your way through trial and error, through anxiety and stress. And I don't know if we're actually on the other side of anything, but I know the mindset of educators I've been working with, they're definitely on the other side. They've embraced this new way of doing things, and every single one of you has been stretched this year. I mean, I know educators who had problems checking emails, and now they're experts on Zoom using Prezi and Jamboards and things like that. It's just incredible. I honor you. I'm honored to work with you. I'm honored to be an educator. I'm honored to coach you, and I know I coach hard, but it's because teachers are everything, man. I mean, I've gotten to the point in my career where I don't even need to meet your kids. You can tell me about your demographics and your issues, but I need to meet your teachers and your leaders and your staff, right? Because on a day of PD, by 3 o'clock, I'm gonna know whether those kids have a chance, because it all starts and ends with the educator, right? Kids win because of what you do. I'm proud to know you, proud to collaborate with you, proud to learn with you. And leaders, help your teachers finish strong, man. Continue doing what you've been doing, which is be chief hunter-gatherer. Your job is to hunt, gather, protect, and defend. Move hell and high water to get these teachers what they need to get the right work done. Start with the crown.